Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Canopy Growth, ticker CGC. We have to talk about the actual price action, guys, because we have here something in the background which I already announced in my previous videos, which is killing the squeeze momentum for Canopy Growth. There is still a chance that we can see here a short squeeze. Technically, to be honest, everything looks good, but we have here something in the background which I have to explain, and that makes it more and more difficult to see here a short squeeze for Canopy Growth. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. I will show you here all the details. So let's start with the chart. Yeah, first of all, the bad news, guys, what maybe you don't know, or if you haven't seen my previous videos, we have here Dilution for Canopy Growth. They announced here up to $200 million in shares, guys, so they will dilute here for a price. Just for example, if the price would be $1, of course that would mean 200 million additional shares. Of course they will sell these shares step by step, so we cannot say the exact amount of shares, but we know already here when we use Findle that the dilution is already here ongoing. We have now here short interest of just 8.8%, and this is a problem that people think, the short interest is going down, so the short sellers giving up. No, guys, short sellers do not give up. They have just the advantage that Canopy Growth is diluting the stock and the float is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and that's why it looks like the short interest is declining, but this is because of the dilution. Just to picturize this for you guys, we had here a float of 100 million shares in January, just 2 months ago, and now you can see the float is already here 156 million shares. And in my opinion, based on the actual price, when they say they want to gather $200 million in capital, then that means, guys, that the dilution might be not over yet. So by the end, it is possible that we end up here with 170, 180 million shares in total for Canopy Growth. This is a problem, guys. This is not like the float is now so big that a squeeze cannot happen anymore, but keep that in mind. Dilution is never in favor for a squeeze, and when a company is diluting a stock, when the price is trading here very close to $1, guys, this is of course an absolute perfect situation for every short seller, because they know when the price is going below $1, Canopy Growth has to regain a price over $1 to regain NASDAQ compliance or to stay NASDAQ compliance, guys. So that is a big problem what we have right now. We can also see the dilution here in the chart, so even if you don't have these Findle information, then you can already see here when you just focus here on the volume profile here from TradingView that the volume is increasing. Not like this, guys. This is here something what the market makers doing, these kind of pump and dumps. This is not dilution, guys, but we can see here that the red volume is increasing, and that is a very good sign how you can spot dilution in a chart. So guys, what is the game plan if Canopy Growth doesn't squeeze? So the good news is that we have a lot of short squeezes in the market right now. Even March is a bearish month. Tickers are squeezing, guys, and as you know, if you know my channel already here, then you also know that I try to predict short squeezes here. This is one of my missions. We just had here on Monday one short squeeze of 170% in total. When I made this screenshot here, this ticker squeezed 120% after my prediction. So this is one of my hot stocks. So what is that, guys? I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stock videos where I present tickers with high squeeze potential, and I personally expect them to squeeze in the very few next trading days. This is now here one example. There is of course no guarantee, but you can see that I said that the algo demand zone where I expect the price to go before a squeeze is 25 cents to 18 cents, and we hit that almost on the cent, guys. And then we had our short squeeze here last week. It was more or less the same. We had this squeeze here. I posted this on Patreon when the price reached this green algo support line here. I posted this here for my members, and you can see the price dipped down on this level, and we had a 136% short squeeze. That was also one of my hot stocks, guys. So if you want to see those secret short squeeze stocks, my personal finest selection of short squeeze stocks, you can of course join our trading community here. The most popular membership is the full package membership here on Patreon. Link patreon.com/blackbelttrader, or you can go here also in the video description. You also get access here to my top 5 US short squeeze stocks, member tutorials, trading tutorials, and so on, guys. So it's really worth it here. If you want to learn trading, guys, this is the way to go. So guys, now for Canopy Growth, I will show you the drawings. I said already that technically that looks for me very, very good. That is in favor for a squeeze. We had the same here, guys. No drama, no squeeze. Yeah, this is my credo. The price tanked down. Yeah, we bottomed in here at this time at $3.86, and boom, sayonara. Here was the first squeeze. Then again, this knife constellation here, very horrible downtrend, and boom, the next squeeze, guys. And you can see the very similar price action which we saw here is the same what we have right now. But as I said, with the difference that we have also the dilution. That's why I say it is not impossible for Canopy Growth to short squeeze, but it will get more and more, or will become more and more difficult with the ongoing dilution. So let's now switch here to the daily chart and let's check the price levels. I prepared everything here for you. Also, we have here very reliable information that Canopy Growth has here 4 open gaps between $2.57 and $6.12. Usually Canopy Growth is trending to close these gaps. The only gap which we haven't filled yet was this here at $27, but this was also before the stock split. So we have still a high chance, or a good chance, that we squeeze back here to $6 and close these gaps. Just to picturize that for you here, $1.13, that would be a squeeze here in total of around 440%, and this is absolute possible. Of course, higher squeezes are also possible, but I don't want to create here FOMO or make you, buying in here. You have to work with a very tight stop loss here, because I will show you the price levels in a second. 440% is realistic. Why? Because Canopy Growth had exactly the same squeezes here before. This total squeeze was 440% on the dot. Yeah, and here this squeeze, which we had here back in August 2023. Let's measure this for a second. I take here this lowest point and the highest point. Yeah, also 450%, guys. So, it might be a coincidence, but price-wise, we are coming here very close to the $1 range, which is a significant price range for Canopy Growth. And when you see here my drawings, guys, so here we go. Then you know that the algo support is waiting here at $1.20. So if we tank below that, guys, that has just 2 reasons. First, it is possible that the market makers create here a shakeout, a huge shakeout with gap downs, and then you see a massive squeeze as a reaction. Or the second case, and this is unfortunately confirmed, dilution, guys. When the company dilutes, then these technical price levels might break. We have also still here my calculated squeeze date range. I said that I expect Canopy Growth to squeeze here between 24th of February and 13th of March. So we have 1 or 2 more trading days here for a potential squeeze. That doesn't mean that we cannot squeeze later, but this is where I calculate a squeeze to happen. And usually you can rely on the algos here. They have to settle their positions. We have to retest here the EMA lines again. So it looks for me still good, guys. I don't want to hype you up. I can just say my honest opinion. Even the chart looks horrible. We have so much red volume, but this is the drama which we need for a squeeze. And you can see the latest date which I see for a squeeze is still here on March, 28th of March. I marked it here for you. This is what I see based on the chart and not financial advice, guys. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, we have here squeeze trigger price level is $3.84. So that means when Canopy Growth squeeze over $3.84 with volume, then we can squeeze here to the next price levels and also close the open gaps until $6.12. As I said, a bigger squeeze is possible, but we talk about that when really the squeeze will happen here for Canopy Growth. $1.20 is the algo support zone, so I think everything here close to $1 is still a potential buy-in area here. At least this is my trading strategy. Make your own due diligence, but I will work with a very tight stop loss, because if they dump 10, 20, 30 million additional shares in the market due to dilution, then I'm out, guys. This is for me too dangerous to trade, guys. If you want to copy the price levels, this is here everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what you see here and what I use for all my videos and all my personal trades. And if you want to learn trading, guys, join our Patreon, watch my tutorials, ask me whatever you want, guys, and of course get yourself a chart tool. That's why I recommend here TradingView. You can save $15 by using my discount link on the premium tier. The discount link for TradingView is also available here in the video description. My friends, that was the update on Canopy Growth. I hope that was helpful, and if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I appreciate your support. Being that said, see you in the next Video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Canopy Growth und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.